Let's talk about these Samsung headphones. Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest, it hurts. This is your first time here. Thanks for showing up. Please consider sticking around, liking, subscribing, and all those kinds of things. If you've been here before, then hey, welcome back, baby. Conventional wisdom says that the headphones that come in the box with your smartphone are generally crap. Hell, most manufacturers, I'm looking at you, Google, don't even try anymore. But the few companies that do, Samsung, Apple, LG sometimes, are often an afterthought. Left in the box with the other doodads that come with a phone that you'll never, ever use. But last year, Samsung made an effort to up their game, branding the in-the-box headphones with the venerable AKG name. We soon found out that the headphones were not made by AKG, but tuned by AKG, and to my knowledge, no one knows what that means. Samsung bought AKG, and so who really knows? They own the name, they could put it anywhere they want, I guess. When I used the earbuds last year, I thought they sounded pretty good, but I never got down to any kind of review or comparison. So when the S9 came out, I decided it was time. I took these little Sammy Buds and put them in direct competition with a pair of Sony XBA H1 earbuds that I've had for several years now. Those cost about $125 when I bought them. I think they're not available anymore. I figured it could be just a completely unfair matchup, but if Samsung is going to put the AKG name on these things, well, I might as well compare them to the big boys, if you know what I'm saying. So here's what I did. I decided to A/B the two pairs of buds back and forth over the same section of several songs to see if I could divine what the difference was. So at first I used Green Day's Basket Case and focused on the dynamics of the intro, single guitar and vocals as it moved into full band. This gave me the chance to hear the guitar sound and vocal blend, and then the band kicking in to hear the stereo field and to understand how well the buds handled that kind of transition. I listened to this 20 seconds of music more than a dozen times for each headphone, and what I discovered was kind of unexpected. I needed something to compare against, so I pulled up Amy Mann's Make a Killing off her LP I'm With Stupid. This recording is not nearly as aggressive as the Green Day, so there's more space in there to hear the sounds and have more room to kind of move around. I repeated the same test as before. In both instances, the Sonys sounded kind of woolly and full in a way that reminded me of vintage speakers, which isn't a bad thing. Some people would call that glue, and it makes the sound more cohesive, but there was a weird hole in the mid-range that made them sound kind of honky. They sounded good, but a particular kind of good. The Samsung headphones, however, surprised me. Their sound was clear, and some might say a little thin, but to my ears they were well balanced. They had an open soundstage and nothing was harsh. There were no holes in the EQ. They sounded good. Better than they really should as an afterthought accessory thrown into the phone box. I wouldn't be unhappy using these on my daily commute. They sound good, they're comfortable, and I wouldn't be too bummed out if I lost them. To sum up, the Samsung AKG earbuds that come in the box are better than what you'd likely think they might be. Paired with the adaptive sound profiles, they're better than they should be. So don't write them off if you just got a Sammy device. Go ahead and check them out and you might be surprised. Thanks so much for showing up. If this is your first time here, please consider liking and subscribing, especially if you made it to this point. If you're back again, hi. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest, it hurts! Until the next time, I'm out.